How to play Blox Fruits with controller. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to play Blox Fruits with the PlayStation 4 controller. So it's a straightforward process, so follow along. As shown, I'm running Blox Fruits on my PC Roblox version using the controller for the movement, dashing, and various actions. Playing Blox Fruits with the PlayStation 4 controller is quite simple. It automatically setups once the controller is detected by your device. To move around, use the left analog joystick for camera movement and the right analog joystick. Pressing L1 or R1 brings up the compact tab to access the abilities. The right side button allows for the quick tackles, ground smashes, and more. Pressing R2 initiates compact to attack enemies. Use select for options on the left side of the screen. Everything is set up automatically. Connecting the controller through the Bluetooth is the most convenient method, but using a cable works too. Ensure the PlayStation 4 controller is detected by the Blox Fruits to play the entire game seamlessly, and adjust keybinds as needed within the game. I trust that this guide helps you to play Blox Fruits with a PlayStation 4 controller on your device. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.